Steve D'Antonio here with another edition of Video Field Notes. Looking at the lighting in this engine compartment, it may look okay in this video, but actually that light is so bright that I can't look at it, and the reason that is an issue is because it's mounted on a vertical surface rather than on an overhead. I'm seeing more and more of this in engineering and compartments and engine rooms. It's an issue. Lights should always face down. They should be mounted on a horizontal surface on the overhead so that they are facing down and not in the eyes of the person who's in that space.